Did you know your 5-liter Mustang with manual transmission may be equipped with a feature that creates smooth and efficient transitions when shifting to lower gears? It's called Rev Matching. Let me explain. Traditionally, Rev Matching, or heel-toe downshifting, is a driving technique that involves quickly tapping the accelerator pedal while the clutch is depressed to raise the engine's RPMs in order to match the engine speed of a lower gear while downshifting. This puts less stress on the clutch and helps maintain a smoother power transfer when shifting to a lower gear. With Rev Matching on the 5-liter Mustang, the driver no longer needs to manually raise the RPMs before downshifting to a lower gear and can focus more on steering or braking. Still with me? Here's an example. Let's say you're cruising in 5th gear and decide to downshift to 4th. As you depress the clutch and select the lower gear, your vehicle's computer will automatically raise the engine's RPMs to match the proper engine speed of that gear as it's engaged. You'll notice this on the tachometer and hear the exhaust get louder as the computer blips the throttle, causing the RPMs to increase. One more thing, if you prefer, you can turn off Rev Matching. There are 2 different ways depending on which instrument cluster size you have. If you have the 12-inch instrument cluster display, press the Mustang button on the steering wheel, scroll down the menu to Rev Match, and press OK to disable the feature. If you have the 4-inch instrument cluster display, use the 5-way control on the steering wheel to scroll down from the main menu to Track Apps. Then press the right arrow to view more options. Scroll down to Rev Match and press OK to uncheck the box. Now, Rev Matching will be disabled. It's that simple. Any questions? Go to owner.ford.com.